2014 Toyota Corolla battery replacement. So pop your hood. You want to come in here. First, we're going to get the battery hold down off. It's a 10 millimeter. You want to have a long socket or a deep socket. We'll get this nut off right here. That didn't sound right. Get this nut and put it to the side, and then we'll get this bolt off right here. Okay, grab this bolt, and you're going to just gently lift this hold down up and set it to the side. Put it right here. Just try not to forget it. This can stay here. It just stays up. Yeah. Anyways, get this 10 millimeter nut loose right here on the negative. Always do negative first. My dad taught me that. Actually, I'm joking. I don't have a dad. All right, so get this off. Tuck it under the fuse box because the fuse box is plastic. Try not to arc this on the frame. And then once the negative is off, we'll get the positive off. Same thing, just get this nut loose. You don't need to remove that nut all the way. You just got to get it kind of loose. And then this clamp will be able to get on the loose on the terminal. Sometimes they could be stubborn, very stubborn, especially when they're corroded like this one. I'll show you how to deal with that. As far as cleaning, I'm going to lift this up off camera. This battery has a handle on it, which is nice. You can switch the handle over to your new battery if you want. So what I do is I just get a little bucket of hot boiling water, and then you could dip this terminal clamp inside of it, and then the corrosion will kind of melt away. Just let that hot water melt that away. Now, same with your battery hold down. If it's all corroded and stuff, you could just drop this in the hot water and it'll melt all the corrosion away, just like that on both sides. You could always just scrub it off too with like a wire brush or just whatever. And then I just throw some paint on it, make it look nice. I mean, it doesn't really make the rest of the car look better, but you know, at least the hold down looks good. I just use Orlac spray paint. So I got my battery in while that's drying. Go ahead and take these clamp covers off. Positive first. Positive goes on first when you're putting it back on. And then we can tighten this nut down. It doesn't need to be mega tight. Just make sure it's like pretty snug so it won't come loose. But don't overdo it because you could break your clamp or damage the terminal. Then this negative cap comes off on this side. We'll go ahead and put this clamp on. Now, same thing, we'll just tighten it down. If you have an aftermarket alarm, you may hear the alarm start going off. You just have to turn it off. Sometimes these arc. It's not a big deal. Like you'll see a little spark. Just get them on, tighten them down, you'll be fine. All right, so here's an up close of my battery label. It's a 525 CCA. Now my battery hold down is all nice and dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. Just line it up with that post and then with the hole, and then stick the bolt in there. Put this right here, and then we'll tighten it down. Put this nut back on, and tighten that nut down. Got my 10 millimeter deep socket here. All right, get these two tight, and then that's it, guys. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. You can put some battery protectant on here, and you know, don't overdo it though. And thanks for watching. See you next video.